guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to give you guys some mermaid birthday party ideas. I threw a little mermaid birthday for my daughter for her 3rd birthday. Now to start with, I wanted to show you how I did the cake. So I kept it easy this year and just used box cake. I went ahead and made a stacked cake, so I just show you here how I'm making the tops flat. I found these adorable mermaid sprinkles on Amazon, and I went ahead and just did an easy icing. I just added my own food coloring. So looking back, I wish I would have just covered the whole cake fully with icing. I had a different idea at first. That's why it kind of looks like a naked cake. But I went ahead and just covered the whole cake with sprinkles, as you can see. It ended up turning out okay. I didn't love how it turned out, but it's still cute. I took out the big mermaid tails and just added those precise areas at the end here, as you can see. And then for the topper, I'll link all of this down below. This was from Amazon. And then I found this silver 3 that ended up matching perfectly with her silver 3 balloon. You'll see later. But this is the finished product of the cake. So that night before her birthday, my son had the kids outside and I started on this balloon garland. That way I wouldn't be up all night long. So I just went ahead and bought a balloon garland from Amazon and just started using all the different colors and attaching them. Okay guys, I'm super sad. I was really excited about this balloon, the big mermaid, and it had a humongous tear on the side. So I've been, as you can see, adding a lot of tape. I'm trying my best to be able to still use this. I'm doing whatever I can. I think it's so cute. But all I'm gonna do is just keep trying to fill in the holes. I don't know if it's gonna work. And so far I've got a lot of the arch done, so I'm just gonna keep chipping away at this. Alright, so once the kids were down for bed, I went ahead and took down some of my entryway decor. This is where I decided to put her little decorations up. Now I found these really cute backdrops off of Amazon, and what I love about these is they have the self-adhesive at the top, so all you have to do is just place it on the wall and it sticks super well, and it didn't damage at all when I took them off. Now I did buy 2 packs which come with 2 each because I heard that they can be thin. I wish I would have gotten another one just so the outsides would have been thicker too, but I still think it turned out cute. And then I started to put the garland up. I just used some thumbtacks and command strips to hang the garland. And then here you will see me adding the tail. I think this is so cute for a mermaid birthday. I love how it looks like an actual mermaid tail. I just used some of that balloon glue and tape to attach it. And then as you can see, I was able to still use that mermaid, and then I went ahead and added my silver 3 to the middle. I found this really pretty tablecloth off of Amazon. I just put a white sheet under it because I wanted it to be fully covered. And then here I'm showing you this really pretty wrapping paper I found off Amazon as well. I love that the colors match so well with the decorations. And that is everything for this adorable backdrop for my daughter's 3rd birthday. Yeah, you better step in. Also, I wanted to show you guys, I always like to decorate this little table for my kids for special occasions. So I wanted them to be able to have their breakfast here. So I just used this adorable mermaid wrapping paper and just wrapped the top of it as an easy way to decorate it. And then here I show you these kind of funky looking mermaid tail pancakes. I tried my best. I did it by hand, but that's what I had them have for breakfast. You want to see your surprise?
Yeah, go check it out.
Hi, Pete.
Well, I could what, Kate? Let's go down with a mermaid.
Whenever you guys play with your Play-Doh, you can make different letters and names and words.
Thank God.
Sissy, let me see. What do you think of this, Sissy? Good. Hey, Ray, look, that's a huge mermaid tail up on the wall. What do you think?
Good.
What is it, Sissy? Oh, I think this might be frozen makeup. Look, wow.
Oh, are those baby Elsa? Is that baby Elsa? What is that? Is that a karaoke? Whoa, so you can sing the song.
Look, it's a Frozen. You can sing the song.
So you can sing the song. Just help.
Look, it's double wrapped.
Oh, there's 2 pieces of paper. That must mean it's extra good.
It's just because Mommy decided she didn't want to use that color.
What is that?
Wow.
It's a frozen thing, so you can freeze people.
Look, you put it on your knee and you go like that and it freezes people.
Remember that girl had one at Disney?
Oh, I'm gonna use this.
What is it? Sydnie, what do you think?
Wow, this one's really cool. I think you're gonna love this, Sissy.
Whoa.
It's a Tangled Play-Doh set. What do you think?
You're stronger than the others think, and who cares if you might mess it up? Shine.
Okay, I'll help you.
You gotta watch that arm. You need to learn to control it like Elsa.
Can I play?
Sissy, I'm so grateful for sunshine for your birthday. Sissy, how old are you now? 3. Okay, let's sing. Oh, Sissy! You stinker. Okay. Happy birthday to you.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.